Welcome to Tucker Carlson Today. You'd think if huge numbers of your own citizens start dying for reasons no one can pinpoint, that you would care enough to find out why. Of all the measurements the federal government takes, and there's almost an infinite number of those, whether or not people are alive is the most simple of all. You're either dead or alive. So we know how many people have died. The question is why. Now, to give you a sense of what this phenomenon looks like, we're going to read an excerpt, a very quick excerpt from a book called Cause Unknown, The Epidemic of Sudden Death in 2001 and 2002. Here's the excerpt. By 2017, around 2.8 million Americans died. 2018 was the same again. 2019, about the same again. Not surprisingly, 2020 saw a spike in deaths, smaller than you might imagine, some of which could be attributed to COVID and to initial treatment strategies that were not effective. But then, in 2021, the stats people expected went off the rails. The CEO of the One America Insurance Company publicly disclosed that during the third and fourth quarters of 2021, death in people of working age, that is 18 to 64, was 40% higher than it was before the pandemic. Significantly, the majority of the deaths were not attributed to COVID. A 40% increase in deaths is literally earth-shaking, and not only for the devastated families and communities that directly experience their deaths. Even a 10% increase in excess deaths would have been a 1 in 200-year event, but this was 40%.